Okay guys, today I'm going to show you how to wrap a handle, it could be an axe, knife, anything, an easy paracord wrap. Alright, first thing we're going to want to do is fold this over like this. Now we're going to have a little extra, which is going to be okay because we will cut that off at the end. And now we want to bring both of them under. Go all the way through. Somewhat pull it tight. Not tight, but tight enough for now. Okay, now we're going to take your working end, which is your long one. I'm going to go over like that, and then bring this under. Pull it through your loop. Just pull it all the way through. Now you might not need this much paracord, I just want extra just so I know I got enough. Pull it up nice and easy. Let's see what we got here. Slide it down. Keep it tight now. Okay, we went over. Now we got to go under. Like that. Take your other one, pull it all the way through like we did on the top. Slide it up, pull it tight. Now you're going to make sure it's nice and firm now. Alright, now we're going to go over again. Like so. Make a loop. Pull it. Go under. Pull it through. Slide it up and pull it slowly. We got it nice and tight. Okay, now we're going to go under again. Push it through the loop. Pull this all the way through again. Now this is going to be our pattern. Over, under, over, under, over, under. Pull it tight. Push it up to where you like it. Pull it tight. Okay, now I'm going to finish wrapping this since we know our pattern. And then I will come back and show you how to get it all tightened up at the end. I just wanted to get a little close up here. Now you can adjust these up and down however tight you want them, however, you know, if you want less of the handle exposed or more of the handle exposed. But yeah, I just wanted to do a close up here. Now we go on, I went under. It's going to be under then over. Just kind of give you a close up. Just see, I slide it up. Just pull it. I can adjust it to how I want it. Get it to where I want it. Pull it nice and tight. Alright, now we're going to do it over. So we get a better look at this loop. As you go over and under. Slide it up, pull it. You see, she's coming together pretty good. Okay guys, I'm down here at the end. I really don't want to go any further down. So I'm going to show you how to basically tamp it off. Cut that off. I'm going to cut this one off. Okay, now we're just going to basically burn off both ends. Not burn off, but melt them down. Just get it as smooth and flat as possible. Okay, one end done. And there you have it. Thanks for watching, guys. Appreciate it.